I'm Haley with Swick Admissions. We're here today at the Granite City campus. Today we're going to take a look at our precision machining technology program. Our faculty are going to review some courses we have to offer, some degree and certificate options, as well as job offerings once you complete the program. If you follow me, we'll go in and learn more about precision machining technology. We're here in the Precision Machining Technology Lab with Jerry Bonnefeld. He's going to go over the program, and so I'll go ahead and turn it over to him.
Hi, I'm Jerry Bonnefeld. I'm an instructor in the Precision Machining program. In the Precision Machining program, we teach our students about metal forming, metal cutting, and starting off with materials that we can turn from a solid piece of stock into something kind of finished like that.
Jerry, can you tell us a little bit about the precision machining technology degrees and certificates that Swick offers?
We offer a degree in precision machining technology, but we also offer certificates in CNC machining, Mastercam, SolidWorks, and manual machining. All of our certificate programs also lead up towards a degree if you want to go that path as well. Our certificates range in time from taking 1 semester up to 2 semesters. And our degree program is a 2-year associate's degree.
What are some career pathways a student might expect after graduating from the Precision Machining Technology program?
So a career path in the machining industry is really limitless. You can have a career running CNC machines like this. You can have a career in the tool and die forming sheet metal parts. You can have a career making surgical instruments. You can work in the plastics industry making molds. You can work in the automotive industry. And really everything in between. You can have a career in making tools for the machines. You can have a career making measuring instruments for the machines. Really, with a degree like this opens doors to hundreds of different jobs and career opportunities. All right, here we are in the Precision Machining CNC lab. We'll go on a quick tour of what we have to offer. So on my left, we have a CNC mill. This is what we start off our students on, the basic operations of how to make parts, moving left and right, forwards and backwards, and up and down. So that's a normal mill, just like you've seen in some of your shop classes. Your vertical mills, this just has a computer attached to it. Moving over to the right, we have a CNC lathe. This is a very advanced piece of equipment. This works like a normal lathe, except we can move off center line and we can do some actual milling features on it as well. So there's lots of opportunity here. This also has a bar feeder, so we can feed bar stock and run really automated and almost lights out with no human input once we have it set up. That's where industry is going, so that's why we bought that. So moving on to this machine, this is similar to the first machine. It's called a 5-axis mill. This allows us to not only move left, right, forwards, backwards, and up and down. Now we can rotate it to where we can get to more advanced pieces and make cooler parts. So that's just a saw to cut our rough stock. These 3 pieces are here only for inspection. These can measure parts up to so accurately they can do 1/2 of 1/10,000. So if you were to take a hair and split it into 80 sections, that's how accurately this can measure. So 1/80th of 1 human hair. And then moving on to this side, these 3 machines are roughly the same as what we've used before, but we have more of them. So when you come into the shop, you're not waiting on a machine. There should be a machine there for you. We don't have a backup. This machine is set up. We have some more advanced stuff in here for adjusting and setting up tools. We can change tools very quickly, and we can work in a much more efficient way. We teach all of our students exactly what industry is really doing, so you're ready to get a job. You have the skills. You're ready. Job day one. And this machine is like the first lathe that we saw. It's a little bit bigger, but if we take a look inside here, we can fit bigger parts. We can go much faster. We can make much neater, more intricate, large pieces with this one as well. So, and this one is called the 4-axis. This is for simulating production, high-tech, high-speed stuff that takes to really get the job done fast and make the shop some serious money.
Thank you for that info, Jerry. If you guys would like more information on our precision machining technology program, feel free to reach out to admissions at swick.edu or 618-222-5675.